Caulking your kitchen sink is super important to stop water from sneaking under the edges and causing damage or mold. So yeah, you definitely want to fix any gaps or cracks as soon as possible. First off, grab a razor blade or a caulk remover tool and scrape off all the old caulk you can find. Don't leave any behind because new caulk won't stick well otherwise. Next, clean the area really good with rubbing alcohol or a mild cleaner to get rid of grease and grime. This helps the caulk bond better. When picking your caulk, go for a silicone one labeled for kitchen or bathroom use since it's waterproof and mold resistant. White or clear works, but clear is great if you want it to blend in. Before you start, cut the tip of the caulk tube smaller than you think you need. You can always make the bead thicker if you want. Use a small tube if you can, like one that looks like a big toothpaste tube, so it's easier to handle and you don't have leftover giant tubes hanging around. Apply steady pressure and move smoothly around the sink edge, trying to keep a consistent line without breaks or blobs. After you lay down the bead, wet your finger or a caulk finishing tool and smooth it out quickly before it dries. That makes it look neat and seals better. Let it cure fully according to the instructions, usually 24 hours, before using the sink heavily, so it sets up strong and watertight. One of the biggest mistakes people make when caulking sinks is not removing all the old caulk first, which causes the new stuff to peel right off. Fix this by scraping thoroughly and cleaning well. Another common error is using the wrong kind of caulk, like acrylic, instead of silicone. Acrylic isn't waterproof enough for kitchen sinks, so always choose silicone labeled for kitchens or baths. Lastly, people often don't smooth out the bead after applying it, which leaves gaps or uneven spots that water can sneak through. Just wet your finger or use a smoothing tool right away to fix this and get a clean finish. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle stuff like sink caulking or any home repair. Plus, it helps contractors get connected with people who need their skills, so everyone wins without the hassle of endless searching or awkward hiring guesses.